Nevada does not have an express constitutional right to privacy. However, there are several other laws that provide obligations with respect to the protection of personal data. In particular, in 2017, Senate Bill 538 for an act relating to internet privacy was passed, before being further amended in 2019 by Senate Bill 220, the provisions of which took effect on the 1st of October 2019. The Act prohibits an operator of an internet website or online service that collects certain information from consumers from making any sale of such information, if so directed by consumers. In addition, operators are required to establish a designated request address through which a consumer may submit a verified request directing the operator not to make any sale of covered information collected about the consumer. Verified consumer requests must be responded to within 60 days after receipt of such request. This response may be extended by no more than 30 days if the operator determines that such an extent is reasonably necessary. In this case, there is an obligation to notify the consumer of such an extension. Chapter 603A of the Nevada Revised Statutes also requires the notification of data breaches. Data collectors that own or license computerized data, which includes personal information, must disclose any breach of the security of the system data following discovery or notification of the breach. In addition, a data collector that maintains computerized data, which includes personal information that the data collector does not own, must notify the owner or licensee of the information of any breach of the security of the system data. The notification, which can be provided in either written or electronic format, must be provided to any Nevada resident whose unencrypted personal information was, or is reasonably believed to have been, acquired by an unauthorized person. Businesses in Nevada are also required to take reasonable measures to dispose data in order to protect information. This requirement applies to a business that maintains records which contain personal information concerning the customers of the business. There are further obligations for disclosing certain information in online privacy policies in Nevada. These include an identification of the categories of covered information that the operator collects through its website, a description of the process by which the operator notifies consumers who use the website or service of material changes to the notice, a disclosure of whether a third party may collect covered information about an individual consumer's online activities, and a statement of the effective date of the notice. Failure to comply with the provisions related to privacy policies could result in violation of not only applicable privacy laws, but could also constitute an unfair or deceptive trade practice. To continue researching key compliance requirements in Nevada, use jurisdiction dashboards to quickly access the latest regulatory developments and best practice from leading experts.